my god! Look at this! I used to do this in my car. This is Yoshi. I used to do that to my car.
Well, good morning, ladies. I saw your last 2 videos you uploaded on YouTube, and it seems like very pixelated. One.
Yeah. Yeah. Beginning where Chris like told me to go f myself, I made a pixel that as it bleeped.
Maybe that's what I was seeing.
Know me. Woggy woggies.
Last year, and there was like...
Dang. Wow, look at this bridge.
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, because it doesn't matter, because I'm gonna did it. There's too much pressure. Here. Asia Times Square. Hello. New Year. Cheers, old Arby's. Oh, is it Arby's? This is obviously an Arby's building. Like, really? Sorry, I'm fat. I know fast.
Oh, it is. Huh.
Fucking octopus.
Oh, I don't mind. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
It should be working somewhere else. So crowded. You know what?
Menu on this table behind me, it says dog.
Okay. We got sausage on stick.
You want one?
Let me wipe it down.
Are you gonna eat?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I remember you telling me when y'all started dating or something.
Yeah, might as well get the electric and then boom. You don't ever look. We can stand there and look.
Film me taking a selfie.
We're eating downstairs.
Oh, wow. Come on. Uh-oh, party foul.
Table, we went upstairs, we drank.
Oh wow.
Woo wee! I can tell. I clip it already.
Oh god. That was it.
Are you guys recording that the whole time?
No, it wasn't. I'm in the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Bye.